the cat. Hip, hip. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hip, hip. How do I stop the hiccup?
Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do you stop the hiccup?
I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot.
Pete stands on one foot. Hip. Pete still has the hiccups. Hip. Asks Kelly, how do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Kelly. You stand on one foot and hop up and down.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Pete still has the hiccups.
Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down and he sings a song.
Pete still has the hiccups.
Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Bob.
Stand on one foot and hop up and down, sing a song and walk with your belly, says Bob.
Pete does it.
Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccup, says Bob.
Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says she. Take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath.
Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom.
Holds his breath.
Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete has. That's it, say Mom. Pete waits. He waits.
He waits.
The hiccups are gone. Moms are so